Hi everyone, and welcome to this demo on how to create a MiCA-compliant utility token using Bitbond Token Tool. Start by going to tokentool.bitbond.com and connecting your wallet. Select your desired blockchain network. Then click Create Token, then choose the Core Token option. This gives you an ERC20 token. Great for DAOs, utility tokens, DeFi projects, and more. For MiCA compliance, remember, ensure the token's utility is clear, what service or platform access it grants. If you include features like token grants, vesting schedules, or lockup periods, make them transparent. Avoid making promises of price appreciation or returns. MiCA utility tokens must be about usage, not investment. Enter the basic token details: token name, symbol, total supply, decimals. Optionally, set a custom contract name. Prepare the MiCA white paper. Before issuance, you'll need a document that includes issuer details, token purpose and functionality, supply and distribution plan, risk disclosures, environmental impact of the chosen blockchain, and terms of the offering. Also include a non-technical summary and a disclaimer that the white paper hasn't been reviewed by an EU competent authority. Once everything is set, accept the terms and conditions, click Create Token, and confirm the transaction in your wallet. That's it. You'll see a confirmation with your token's contract address and a link to the block explorer. You've just created a token that's not only governance ready, but also aligned with MiCA utility token requirements, transparent, compliant, and built to serve its intended function in the EU regulatory environment. Bitbond Token Tool, tokens made easy.